Nissan launched the Pathfinder in 1987 as a body-on-frame SUV. It was a rugged vehicle that competed with the Toyota 4Runner and other off-road vehicles. But over successive generations, the SUV morphed into a soft people mover. While no one would mistake the new Pathfinder for a hardcore desert runner or rock crawler, Nissan packed enough capability into the four-wheel drive version of this model to tackle fire roads, mud, ruts and washboard trails. It also will do well in snow and ice. The new Pathfinder's styling is more rugged and less jelly bean than before. It's about half an inch wider, with an even bigger 1.2-inch increase in track width. The SUV sits slightly higher, but is almost an inch shorter in length, at 197.7 inches. The starting MSRP of the 2022 Nissan Pathfinder is $33,880 for the base S model. That makes it a little more expensive than some of its rivals like the Kia Telluride and Subaru Ascent, but below the Toyota Highlander and the more off-road ready Toyota 4Runner. You can get some premium features in the Pathfinder at a lower price point than most rivals, like leather seats, Wi-Fi, panoramic moonroof, and the tech that comes with the ProPilot Assist system. It's inside where the 2022 Pathfinder takes its biggest leap forward over the outgoing 2020 model. A far more modern and truck-like interior design replaces the dated styling of the last generation. The Pathfinder remains a three-row SUV, but buyers can now choose to swap the standard second-row bench seat for captain's chairs. Nissan has integrated more storage cupboards this time around, including a large bin below the center console that's accessible by the driver or front seat passenger. Upper trim levels come appropriately decked out with luxuries, such as semi-aniline leather upholstery, heated and ventilated front seats, and a panoramic sunroof. An 8.0-inch infotainment touchscreen is standard and runs the latest version of the Nissan Connect software interface. A larger 9.0-inch display is standard on the SL and Platinum models. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are both standard, and the former can be synced wirelessly on upper trims. A 12.3-inch digital gauge display, an onboard Wi-Fi hotspot, a wireless smartphone charging pad, SiriusXM satellite radio, a head-up display, and an in-dash navigation system are all optional features. A fairly basic 6-speaker stereo is standard, but a 13-speaker Bose system is optional. Under the hood, the 2022 Pathfinder retains the 284 horsepower 3.5-liter V6 from the previous generation model. It drops the continuously variable automatic transmission in favor of a new 9-speed automatic. Front-wheel drive is standard, but all trims can be equipped with all-wheel drive. Upgrading to the all-wheel drive system also adds a set of 7 drive modes, including off-road focused sand and mud modes. According to the EPA, the most efficient Pathfinder is actually the one with optional all-wheel drive, which earned ratings of 21 miles per gallon city, 27 miles per gallon highway, and 23 miles per gallon combined. The front-wheel drive model earned the same city and combined ratings, but only 26 miles per gallon highway. Thanks for watching, and give your comments below.